22nd.
All right, so today is February 22nd, 2020. And I am here with our Boy Scout troops. Look at this though. Oh my God, what's happening here? Got a pimple growing. And we are in the Pu'u Mahoe Cinder Cone. I probably said that the second name wrong.
Cone?
No. But if you look behind me, everybody's well, that's where everybody's eating right now, and that's where the Boy Scouts are going to be camping. But if you look down on the bottom, there's a gulch. Not gulch. It's the cinder cone of the volcano. And then you go around this way. Say hi, honey. You can see all the lava rocks from when... Wait, where's the lava rocks? The lava rocks are all right here. From when the volcano or the lava came down from Haleakala, which is up here somewhere. So just enjoying the life, living the dream with the love of my life. Urias. Say hi. Do you have anything to say to our little followers?
Press the like button.
No, it's hit the subscribe and hit that bell to get notified for all the times I post. Because, I post all the time. But, no, I don't. Anyhow, we're just going to enjoy the sunset. The sunset on this side. You can't really see, but it's so serene up here. Peace.